Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful birthday card. For today's birthday card I followed Andrea Nelson's art tutorial where she was explaining how sometimes you just need to do a simple shape over and over again without stressing too much about how you need to paint. And I really like that idea because how I am still a beginner, I sometimes realize that I get too stressed and concerned about how my watercolor activity is going to look at the end, that I lose sight of what's important, and I don't enjoy myself as much as I would like to. You should really check out Andrea's channel, as she has a lot of tutorials and videos on watercoloring, and they range for being simple to more complicated, but she's great at explaining everything, and I don't know, I really enjoy watching her TikToks. So without further ado, I'll just let you enjoy this video with some nice music in the background. But the most important thing to know is that we're going to have 3 layers of these teardrop shapes. And for the first layer there's no overlapping, but once this first layer is dried up, you will start with the second layer, and for the second and third layer we are going to overlap these shapes. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!